You've cut calories. You've skipped meals. You've bought the shakes, bars, pills. But the fat? It's still there. What if the problem wasn't how much you eat, but what you're eating? Fat-burning foods isn't just another diet, it's a food-powered approach to weight loss. It's about feeding your body the right ingredients to help it burn fat naturally, without starvation or restriction. Inside this guide, you'll discover 1. The truth behind fat-burning metabolism and how food affects it. 2. The secret power of foods like apples, oats, spinach, yogurt, and fish. 3. How simple ingredients like mustard, coffee, and sweet potatoes support fat burn. 4. The best veggies, fruits, and lean proteins to include in your daily meals. 5. How to create meals that satisfy your hunger and your goals. You don't need to suffer to see results. Click the link below and grab your copy of Fat Burning Foods now. Fuel your body. Burn fat naturally. Start eating smarter today, and see real results tomorrow.
Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button, subscribe and share with friends.